Okay, to summarize what we covered in this section, overloading. You can have more than one method or more than one constructor with the same name, but Java has to know at compile time which one you mean, so they must have a different number of arguments or different types of arguments. They must differ in their argument signatures. For best practices, all your instance variables, or at least all of your instance variables that can be changed, constants are okay. All instance variables should be private. You hook them to the outside world with accessor methods that start with the word get and set. But it's perfectly possible to have a getter and no corresponding setter where your instance variable is final. Use Javadoc style comments from the very beginning and put that in front of the class definition and in front of all public method and constructor definitions. You use inheritance. You just say extends. The non-private methods are available with no special syntax, but occasionally you have to use super. It's quite common to use super on the first line of a constructor to designate which of the parent constructors you'll call. It's rare, only used a few % of the time, to use super as a variable name to distinguish between a locally defined method and an inherited method that have exactly the same name and method signature. And finally, to organize things, put all your code in packages and make the output of your print statements more readable by implementing the toString method in your classes. As always, the full and complete source code to every example in this entire lecture is available online. Go to courseserverless.com and click on the Java tutorial and go to this section. And as well, there are exercises and the corresponding exercise solutions. And although it's quite, I hope, very useful to listen to this video, it's even more useful to practice. So try out the exercises, and then after you're done, look at my solutions, compare your solutions to mine, and see if you have anything more to go. Good luck!